Hello everyone, this is Jay Saraswat from CS Tech AI. I warmly welcome you all to the Autodesk Inventor Automation Series. Today, we diving into part 2 of iLogic automation forms. In this session, we will explore how to create multi-value parameters in the Inventor, how to create true-false parameters into the Inventor, and learn how to effectively use them within iLogic forms. We will also cover the powerful form features such as arranging tabs, organizing rows, and other key functionalities that can make your automation workflow smoother and more efficient. So let's begin the video. You can say right now it is 100. I'm just hitting and create a multi-value parameter, and I'm adding some value like 50, 70, 90, and 100. Okay, now this is the multi-value parameter. Again, added the form, and when I take this thread length into the form, it will automatically show me a drop down list. I click it OK, and again a drop down list, and it will show all the sizes we defined into the multi-value parameter. So how we can achieve this functionality? If we click on this thread length parameter, we see that this option is automatically changed into combo box. We can change these parameter into the list, so it will show like this. We can also change the parameter to radio group, whether we can choose different options by clicking these circles. So this is how you can play with the multi-value parameter, or you can say you can create the multi-value parameter and drop down list. You can create radio boxes, you can create combo boxes. So now I can also talk about the true false parameter. So again, I'm going to the model parameters tab and create a new true false parameter. So for example, I want to create the true false parameter for this round. We can say for this fillet. So I'm just putting name fillet. And this is a true false parameter. Done. Added the form. On the left side, you can see the user parameter, which is fillet. If I add this parameter to the form, it will show like a checkbox. But right now it is not connected to any parameter. So we have to first we have to connect this fillet checkbox to round. So I will show you how we can do this. I'm just go to round. Here is an option, enable parameter name. So in the enable parameter name, it will automatically show me the true false parameter, true false user parameter. So in the true false user parameter, I just choose fillet. So now it is connected to the true false parameter to the fillet. Hit OK. So if I uncheck this fillet command, true false command, you can see rounds are grayed out. And if you want to change the round, I just check on this command and I can change the value for this particular entity. So to better understand, I am shifting this round parameter near fillet. Okay. Now you can see checkbox, checked and unchecked. So basically, the best practice is when we checked out this fillet should be disappear. So to achieve this configuration, we need to create iLogic rule. to connect these two parameters. So for an example, I'm just creating one rule for fillet. I'm using if and else statement. So if my fillets, we can also take this from here, capture current state. If fillets are true, then going to the fillet feature, capture current state, feature.active fillet is true. I'm deleting this value from here. Else if, again, fillet is false, then I'm just copying this line. This feature is also false. And if, let's see. I'm going to the forms and creating one rule for the fillet, for the multi-value parameter fillet. And when I checked out this option, you can see the fillet feature is suppressed automatically. When you checked in, fillet is automatically visible, and you can change the dimension from here. Now again, added my parameter. So now I want to explain about the form organizer toolbox. So in this tab, you can see group. If you want to organize your dimension into the one group, so what you need to do, you just drag and drop group here. You can also change the name of the group like base dimension. So in the base dimension, I can take base diameter and base diameter extrusion. And what else? Okay, these two dimensions. And I'm just creating another group. I can say thread dimension. In this group, I'm just dragging and dropping these thread dimensions from here to here. Okay, these two groups are available. One is thread dimension. Within this group, we can take thread diameter and thread length, and then the base dimension, we are taking the base diameter extrusion. You can also create a group like you can also create tab groups. So if I take tabs, place it here and named it base tab, and I can also put some dimension into this tab. And again, I'm taking another tab, that tab, so here you can see these two tabs are available. When I click on the base tab, only base dimensions are visible. When I click on the thread tab, only thread dimensions are visible. Fillets and rounds are the separate dimensions. So these are two tabs, these are groups. So if you don't like the location of your text, we can say I don't like this text location here. Before I talk about the text location, I will also talk about I'm just deleting the groups. Yes, so rows. If you want to organize your parameters into rows, single row, you can add row. So for example, I'm adding a row in the thread tab, and I am putting these two dimensions in this row. So here you can see these two dimensions are aligned in a row. In the thread tab, these two dimensions, thread dimension, thread diameter and thread length, are aligned into single row. Okay. So now if you don't like the text location, for example, the text location right now is on the left side of the value. So click on the parameter, go to the text location settings, and you can change the text location for the particular parameter. Just changing text location from left to top. So in the preview window, you can clearly see the changes. Now, if you want to mention that, for example, if you want to mention that all dimensions are in mm, so for that we have one option which is called label. So if you drag and drop this label here, you can also change the label name as note. All dimensions are. So in the preview window, you can see here is a note available. All dimensions are in. You can also control the I properties. You want to take the I properties like part number, stock number, description, authority. So you can also take the I properties and insert it and you can insert into the form. Suppose if you want to change the part number, which is inserted in the form. Okay, and hitting OK. So when you hit on this form, you can see you can change the part number from here. You can manipulate with the fillets. You can change the dimension from here. You can modify your component with the defined grouped dimensions. You can also create groups like this. And if you want to add this bolt diagram into this form, so for that you just need to add the picture. I'm just adding this picture here, and into the picture properties, I'm selecting any picture, like a small picture. So now you can see we also have bold picture, bold diagram, we can say, into this form, and we can modify this form accordingly. See, if I want to change the thread length, just drop down this panel, create 70. You can change it to 50. I hope this video gives you a clear understanding of how to use iLogic forms in Autodesk Inventor. And if you would like to see more videos from the Inventor Automation series, make sure to stay connected. Thank you.